How to add text in Capcut. Hi guys, in today's video we are going to learn how you can add text to Capcut. So the process is very easy. You just have to follow me step by step and let's dive in. So first open the Capcut app, and once the Capcut app opens, I'm going to tell you what to do next. Now choose the project that you want to work on, and now you can see that this is an image that I have opened on Capcut. Now you can just press this text option right over here, and then you have to click add text, and now you can just add any text that you want. And now you can just add the styles, effects, animations, or bubble that you want. For example, you can choose from the styles over here by choosing these templates over here, and then you can go to the effects option and choose any effect that you want. For example, you can go with these glowy effects over here, and then you can go to the animations and choose any animation that you want, and you can see that I have added text with some animation. And now you can just relocate your text and then press this tick over here, and now you can see that I have added text to my image over here. So that's the process that you can follow to add text to any pictures or videos in your Capcut app. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.